Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel all about SEO. In this video we are going to discuss what is content optimizations and how does it works. If you are the owner of a business, small or large, then you are aware of how important marketing your brand is. Successful marketing leads to customer retentions, new customer acquisitions and ultimately more sales and profits. As such, you probably also know the content on your website or blog is an extremely important aspect of your marketing, and you may be working hard to consistently create perfect content. Unfortunately, if a search engine cannot find your content, then even the most comprehensive content will be rendered useless. For tips on how to make your content as effective as possible, refer to the following guidelines. The first thing that needs to be understood is that there is a big difference between content and optimizations, and each them appeals to be two entirely distinct audiences. Content, for example, is targeted to readers, and great content will attract readers, keep them interested, and encourage them to invest in your product or services. Optimizations, on the other hand, has very little to do with readers and instead is meant for the machines or search engine reports that use your text to improve your SEO ranking. As such, content that isn't optimized might go unnoticed by search engines and therefore unread by the masses. So, content optimization is a process of making your web pages more appealing to search engines and users. It is not only restricted to using best keywords in your pages but also focuses on various other parts of your websites like the quality of content, broken links, title tags, meta tags, etc. Once your content is optimized, the user search engines can easily find and index your websites and shown up in the initial pages of the search engine result pages. And essentially, content optimization or SEO search engine optimization is a process of optimizing your content to make sure that it's more visible through the website. Search engine robots will rank highly optimized content higher on a search engine page than non-optimized content. Optimizing a website involves many nonsense details, and search engine robots are weighing everything from HTML to backlinks. So, focus on the following areas for better content optimizations. First one is title tag. It refers to the title of your page or post which is incorporated in the head of the HTML code of a page. It appears at the top of the page on the result pages or when you promote your page on social media. The title tags which are concise, accurate and relevant are considered best of your content optimizations. According to SEO experts, an ideal title should be between 50 to 60. An ideal title tag should be between 50 to 60 characters long, correctly describe the content on the page and must have targeted keyword at the beginning of the title tag. And the next one is meta description. It is the information which Google displays on a result page under the title tag. It is a brief summary of the information contained in your page. Users get a preview of the page before they click it. The meta description must contain the relevant keywords as search engines highlight it as descriptive text when a user performs a query using that keyword. To keep the length of your meta description around 150 characters, including spaces for better results. Meta description is written by you, and if you don't write meta description by the Google will compose the meta description from the content of your page. And next one is meta keywords. You can leave them blank as since 2019 they are not in use. If you use them, your competitors can get you a clue about your targeted keywords. If you can use them if your internal site search needs them. And the last one is fresh content. Fresh and unique content appeals both the users and the result engines. So keep updating your site regularly to optimize your content, adding new pages, articles, or updates your existing content to reflect changes and updates. So this is all about what is content optimization and how it works. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.